What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to grow your own garlic at home. Garlic is one of the easiest vegetables to grow. Trust me, anybody can do it. You only need two things to grow garlic. The first thing you need to grow garlic is loose and fertile soil. See how loose this soil is? See, it's super loose. And the second thing is patience. So the first thing you do when growing garlic is break apart the bulb. You don't want to plant the whole bulb. You want to break those cloves up into separate pieces. Also, you don't want to rip the papery skin off of those cloves. So you want to plant your garlic 2 to 3 inches deep
this way, with this sticking up, because this is where the roots are going to come from.
A hand's length apart from each other. The reason you want to plant it a hand's length apart from each other is because you want to give those bulbs space to grow. If you plant them too close to each other, the bulbs won't have space to grow and they'll stay super small. So now that we all know how easy it is to grow, let's start harvesting our garlic. So this year we grew a soft neck variety of garlic. Let's get that out. Garlic is one of those vegetables anybody can be 1000% self-sufficient in. It's super easy. Next year we're gonna try some different varieties so we can get some different taste of garlic. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at the size of this one. So nasty, look at that. Another great thing about growing garlic is you don't need a lot of space. It's super easy to grow garlic in containers. So even though we waited a little longer than we should with these, they're still perfect. Check it out. Look at that. Beautiful. Get some of that dirt off, but wish you guys could smell how good it smells in the backyard right now. So this is what 119 garlic bulbs look like. Check it out. See that? Some nice size bulbs. This is why I say garlic is super easy to be 1000% self-sufficient in. It takes no effort. Like, all you have to do is take the time and put the cloves in the ground and you'll have free garlic. The more cloves you plant, the more garlic you'll have. So I hope after watching this video, you never have to buy garlic again. It's always great to know exactly where your food comes from, and there's no words to describe the feeling you get from growing your own food. So all we have to do now is dry and cure our garlic.